At the end of the day, do you feel drained? Most of what runs through your field is not yours. You feel it as fatigue, static, reactivity you can't trace to a source. There are countless energies running across the globe, and most of them diffract us rather than unify us. Today we'll build a Maharic shield of 12th-dimensional platinum light. It does three things. First, it blocks Wi-Fi, other people's emotions, and far more subtle energies that are not benign. Second, it realigns your biofield to its natural order. Disease is dis-ease. The correction is alignment. The shield keeps you in working order, and it keeps cleaning as it holds, so it is not just blocking the bad, it's purifying as it works. Third, your connection comes back online. Your own guidance, your lineage, you think clearly, you stop absorbing other people's weather. You can hear your higher self, your guides, and your guardians. Run this first thing in the morning and before any other work, before journaling, before channeling, dreaming, astral projection. Do not enter a field you cannot hold. The shield is what makes the rest of the work clean. It's fast, under 3 minutes once you know it, and it holds 20 minutes to an hour. There's a 10-second recharge at the end for whenever you remember. The more you run it, the longer it lasts. Eventually, it runs on its own. First, in front of you is a Merkaba. For those who don't know what a Merkaba is, simply think of a Star of David. From here forward, call this the Hierophant. The Hierophant rotates clockwise. The reason it rotates clockwise is because, as you know, just like a screwdriver, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Looking down at it from above, you'll see the Star of David spinning clockwise, pulling in energy. The Hierophant is our tool for gathering energy and building our Maharic shield. It's always spinning clockwise, pulling energy into it. The very first step is to imagine this Merkaba. From here, we're going to call forth the Christos Guardians, or Mother, Father, God, if you want, and ask them to grant you a 12th-dimensional shield of platinum light. Simply say in your mind or out loud, Christos Guardians, please grant me a 12th-dimensional shield of light. And then imagine the Hierophant in front of you. On your first inhale, pull the Hierophant into your pineal gland. Exhale, and send it down your vertical power column all the way deep into the 13th chakra at the center of the earth. At the center of the earth, your Hierophant lies upon a massive platinum disc that extends out from the middle of the earth into space. With your Hierophant, or Star of David, lying flat on the disc like a record, exhale and see the star begin to spin clockwise like a record on a record player. As it continues to rotate, inhale and pull pale silver light from the Earth's disk into your star. You're now charging your Maharic shield. Now that you've pulled the light into the Hierophant on the inhale, on your next exhale, you'll push the silver light out through the entire Hierophant so that it's beaming brilliant platinum white, and it will begin to glow and pulsate. At the start of the next inhale, see your Hierophant pulse a momentary crimson red before turning into a brilliant silver platinum, and continue to inhale as you pull the Hierophant up from the center of the earth to rest 12 inches below your feet. As the Hierophant rises, there are pale silver cords that are attached to it from the Earth's core all the way up to the 12 inches below your feet, so that there is a continual feed of energy moving into your Hierophant, continuing to charge. As you stand on the star beneath your feet, exhale and imagine a platinum disc shoots out from the Hierophant in a 4-foot diameter so that you're now standing 12 inches above a platinum disc. With the next inhale, draw more pale silver light up through the Earth's core, into the Hierophant, in the center of the disc. On your next exhale, push that energy out through the disc, charging it, making it brighter and more beautiful. On the next inhale, pull the platinum energy from the charged disc up through your entire body in a column of light that's 4 feet in diameter. If it helps, imagine Star Trek's Beam Me Up Scotty as a beam of light all around you. Exhale the light through your body. Now take as long as you want here. Simply breathe in and out and let the platinum light infuse your entire being. Let it saturate every single cell of your body. It may feel tingly, it may feel warm, it may feel clean, or it may feel like nothing at all. Everyone is different. Simply breathe slowly in and out and feel the light. This light purifies and protects. It cleans and realigns all that is going on through your body. And you can sit here as long as you want, letting this light do its work, cleaning your biofield, restoring to its original order. You may want to simply pause the video here and sit with this as long as you would like. So we'll sit here for a few more moments, simply breathing the light. As the pale silver light moves through you and all around you, sense the energies. See your pillar. The longer you practice this, the stronger it becomes. Now, direct your attention back to 12 inches below your feet, where the Hierophant sits, pulling in energies and redistributing them into you. On your next inhale, draw the Hierophant up through the center power column and out about 3 feet or 1 meter above your head. This is also known as your 14th chakra. With one large, forceful exhale, you're going to slowly breathe out like you're blowing a bubble through pursed lips. And then finally letting all the air out at once, there is a mild popping sensation above your head as the Hierophant disappears and what remains is a second platinum disc formed above your head. So now you are enshrouded in a column of pure 12th-dimensional platinum light with a disc below your feet and one above your head. You may sit here again as long as you like. This is your Maharic shield in place. Breathe into the platinum pillar. Feel it holding you, firm but free. Nothing you don't want gets in, and nothing restricts your movement. Everyone is different here. Some people feel it tingling and the mild pop immediately, and some people feel nothing for weeks, and the shield is running anyway. Both are correct. And now for the recharge. This lasts 20 minutes to an hour when you first do it, so it helps to recharge it as often as possible. Once you have the full sequence, you can rebuild the pillar in 3 simple breaths. On an inhale, pull a spark of platinum light into your pineal gland and exhale that spark down into the Earth's core. Inhale back the cord up to the bottom of your shield and let it charge and reinstate the shield in its full power. Run this before the work. Run it when your field feels occupied. Run it until it holds on its own. This practice reaches further than you. You become a point of calm and clarity in every room you walk into, and that is what the world needs right now.